boys. 3 hours on the gas. A little bit of a camp at QMP this weekend. Out here with a couple of friends and a few motos. Sunny States are on this weekend. We decided not to go. The tracks are pretty sweet out here. A little bit wet on the outside or the inside, depending on where the water's lying. Dad's out for a bit of a moto today. Tyson. Doing a bit of standing, trying to stand as long as he can into the corners. Nice big ruts here, there's Kobe there. Woo! Muddy, mate. Tyson decided to go in the... Oh, no. There you go. Don't take that line again, buddy. That's something I do. Here comes Cobes. Oh yeah, boy. Tyson. Beautiful southeast Queensland, buddy. The start of another wet morning.
Get Mason.
Look at these boys.
Right this way. It is pretty muddy today. Southeast Queensland. You ripper.
Fun? Fun in the mud?
Yeah.
Your brother doesn't find it as much fun.
I was thinking of our first level with Dad. In a straight right, just red through because you dig down. And around the corner, keep momentum because you go forward. You can keep driving, like going on the throttle.
Yeah. It is turned into a bit of a shitty day, but you get around really good.
Yeah.
I know it's hard. I wouldn't do it.
Yeah,
I'll stick to the baby track.
I went through, lost balance, then had to stop, but like, you know, I only had a few.